Mutegerero TV ambirigire Jumapili yakunetete na mbere bobwega ibwega no tubakwana kanya kugwatanira nawe nikiriwe ruthamugwanja woni betagwantinyari kenywa tukanjiria nteto chietu mubango jira wendete muno jwa kwaya kanisene ntukyanarwa nijubanganitie mambura na mubango jo mwanya jwa kihungwa na gya kwanjiria mwaka jumweru kagitene gaka bitikira na giteo gikineto gwatanire imwe kwa imwe na mukureterwa mubango juju nwe munene kagwe atumenyi na ndene kira tupangirite kiri mubango juju na kinya kiri mwaka juju munene wakagwe kithano kumbigwa happy new year kanyaga kanigako
ni bwega sana empeti uri ruteroro ngiro studio nontobwa kanyaka wonenkira ni bitwa munene wa kagwe muri kureti ni mubango jwa kwa kanisene every Sunday kwambirire tha mugwanja mwanka tha 11 ndene Weru FM na Weru TV na ule withiritio kiona ndene ya TV yetu kiumie kio ndema itute tukiuga tukutha twine gongona remisa ntuko ya narua na buri withire bwetu turi family ya Weru TV na management tunakirete kanya ga program uje tukauga tutikwenda ithire just the program guchemana yake every Sunday tukambairia mwaka jwetu na njira eguchokire moninya murungu katho na nkuruki gutegura mobatu jetu jonde makiriwe ira twita resolutions na mono nkuruki nontubo muchokeria nkatho na urokurikana bwega makimege Christ the King no tware oja kairi ndene studio yetu kana ndene ya parking lot yetu tukami convert kithiro ria antu athure akuritire gongwana na gukurukire gongona riri tuonete njira ya mwathani na iketu mtukuga ije kithiro iri tradition yetu na iketu miotega nyuma yakwa kwina wanakwaya ba St Jude kumantire KK Egoji baraba kithiro bari our main choir ntuko ya narua tunalitwa ba YCS Vertex College nkurukitu na youth ekuma Maua Parish na wanakwaya kanisa ni nkubona na nyagi kundike ngito watuthonkume kumane na mubango during the every week of day of the week Monday mwaka Friday baraje nkona bakwambiri gukinya kwa hiyo batuka tukwithuranira nyuma onake mbete yakirikia kunenkeria nteto na njira indaja kana ndene Weru TV nenya kuruki ndene Weru FM na social sietu chionde mandene kana ado sietu chionde mandene social media tukethwa twi live ni gongona remisate mubango ria tumenyeretie Father John Paul akethirwa aria aja itumweterete nikiendaga atwikie kinya kumwambire mwanka muthia na no chiuri nikigitumi tuthura ntuko ya narua ni kwithirwa kuma tariki 25 tuthira tukungura mambore ja thigonku na kuringana kalende ge kanisa liturgy ya kanisa ge Katoliki narua officially ni otukuinga mambura ja Christmas officially na rido tukuthiria na njira gukungwira mambura ja baptismo ya mwathani wetu Yesu Kristo kanere tugani solemnity of the baptism of our Lord Jesus Christ no baptism wa mwathani wetu Yesu Kristo na niyo o Kristo bunde mabambaire kire mu Kristo onde so at the end of the day Kristo na batithirwe inyago no batithitwe nikagitaga kuri new vows ciakwire wekire na moninya murungu urarega shaitani na mitire yawe yonde na mauthuganija jonde na muthiene uramukira Kristo norogwo gatura umuthingatite nikietu muni na ugwo twitwa Kristo no tutwiba muru jwa mwathani wetu Yesu Kristo tukinyite makinya jawe so katukuibanga banga nteto chia thira rutero rungi tha mugwanja na nusu tukitha tureja tukiambirie gongona remisa ure ugwa kunja umukire kitharimo na nkurukitu tanambire twiromba na iria so ntali nkurukino ntina nteto chia weru tha mugwanja nchokirie mbete kairi tugachokera arikia agatunenkire rijeje dikenda tugeta na mbere mwanka tha 11 tumukumieni Yesu Kristo.
Pega sana munene okagwe mutegerero TV nkurikani okethirwo gikurukirwa ni mubango juju kaya kanisene imwe kwa imwe wona twarikia nteto igicheto cia Weru tha mugwanja atute na mbere na nteto yingi nandi tutonyakire mantu jagie mpumi cia KCSE skuru ya Ndarene na skuru ya Kanyakine kuma gishombuke South Imenti skuru ire kwa kagita chithiritwe chigikira chiarikie banandi cionekete kuthara bunene kiri mpumi cia KCSE ya mwaka muthiru gukirikano ni kwari na mathina nkabo skuru igicho ijire gukioneka maandamano ja kumeneria urungamiri bwa skuru ije.
We have received good results and major improvement, taking quite a number of boys to the university, over 100 to the university.
Twatwere na a lot of challenges. Kinyamu anka antobonde community ya Rise Up in Arms, a protester non to Kanyakine, which has been a great school, ekena mandegoro. Now, as a chairman, I felt concerned that I said it. Nandauga tokwena up to the level to take kwenda ukuruka kairi. Na mwalimu wako yo mwero twagwatanira twauga where nara twithira is the lowest turenda gukinya, and so twana de kwambiria ku rise, and I'm happy that we have risen na speed area. It is sawa, it is encouraging. Now I want to say next year we even perform much better.
Umi irira umire cia Kanyakine boys Andarene ndi secondary school ndi na kugurwa muno nonto bwa mpumi u nto ne nkoririkana bwega mpumi ji ciume tondera turachenjagia arimu ba Kanyakine no Ndarene barabara ari bakwenika skuru oni ndi ndari mustari no mbere gutongeria maandamano jare nikenda tumba gureta arimu bathongi bokiria Kanyakine boys na vile Ndarene ndi secondary school. So mbuge oni ndi kinywa ndi na gikeno muno muthenya jana haru no tubwa mpumira umire no tukanyakine nirejire yongerete minisco iriguru muno na ana betete university nkuru kiegana na Ndarene ina minisco iriguru muno na ana betete university baingi akwenda kuga ge skuru ire ndene aboge taisti skuru iri kwinama kinya ciongwa twina mpango tukudwa bangania jo muthongi muno gute skuru ndene aboge taisti ekethurwa ekienamaga o turabanganirie Kanyakine boys yomba gukira o turabanganirie Ndarene ndi secondary school minisco yomba gwitia na ana beta baba inge university bire maskuru jaja ndene aboge taisti ba oni personally tukathithia mubango nikende tuka visit maskuru jara jonde nikende tukona na rathineri tugwatanira na tongeria nikenda skuru ira ciongo performance komba gwitia nontu bora ibu tethio bwa bogeta na wondiete uthoma ute wondi Ministry of Education thirikari ni rathithirie bwega na ndi na nkatho oni ja mutongeria nkwenda kuga ni bwega nontu bwa thirikari kureta capitation ni mapema na kiu kirarikiriro giakwa biumie bire nyuma aja nindirugite thirikari ni tiga kureta capitation cukuru onde ira ciaingirwo ni rombe cikwija na mbere CS Education rathithitie bwega nontu gitarire cukuru ikirugurwa iromba reto ni racokirie arimu bonthe barethire mbeca ciendene maskuru
Nteto ingi na ndiro rungamirite rwangi rwa Nema kana rwa kumenyera rera kaunti ya Meru nwe Jessica Wanjiku nombite kwithirwa kirita mukana jwa kire Meru bagutumira kenda kwimba nyomba ciao kenda kurigiria ugwati bwa murimo jwa nyimba mutugikare naraniritie nawe na gututumira report ije.
Most of these asbestos are found in mostly public institutions, the public schools, the hospitals. We also have them in government offices, in old housing projects, and we also have them sometimes even in private institutions, and especially the churches, the old churches like the Catholic Church, and here in Meru we have them mostly in the MCK churches.
Migambo ya Jessica Wanjiku kaorora ni mwerekeri wa Nema kaunti ya Meru akiariria mabati ya maturubari jaraja atumikaga umberene akiuga kuri no bisi tunisa na kinyanja chitumagira mabati ya kinyathaiji na akiuga kuringana watho bwa thirikari jabati kwithira jariti ikirikana mabati jani ugwati kirugimo wa mwiri mono kiri kureta murimo jo nyimba ya mauri.
There is enough evidence showing that exposure to asbestos fibers, no matter how small, it is carcinogenic, meaning that it has the ability to cause cancer.
Na ndi Wanjiku na taririte mitaratarero bati kuthithia mbere urita mabati jaja.
Number one is that you're supposed to do something we call a risk assessment. That is just to assess the types of asbestos you have and their conditions. Are they intact or are they damaged? Are they brittle? And then after that, you're supposed to do something we call an environmental impact assessment, which should be submitted to NEMA, so that NEMA is able to give you a license for your plan to actually remove those asbestos. And then if you're doing on-site or off-site, you're supposed to do a hydrological report. That is to determine the groundwater levels and to actually then see the distance between the site where you want to do the disposal and any near water bodies like the streams, the shallow wells, the boreholes, or even a floodplain there is. The next thing is that once you get an environmental impact assessment license, number one is that you're supposed to contact NEMA licensed asbestos people who are supposed to remove asbestos on your behalf. What we have found of late is that communities or institutions are just hiring people from, from the community and not necessarily people who are licensed to undertake such work. As I've said, asbestos are extremely hazardous, and therefore they should only be handled by people who are expertise in that area and people who are actually licensed by NEMA to do that work.
Na kagita kurita mabati jaja Wanjiko na ugite no bati kwira tori baku bakethra bagikara kuraja na kiugo bati gwitikiria mabati jaja maturubari roje jakorwa kenda jate kaunike kanaje jakugia tumutu kuche jakwajithia na nkuruki nethrite akeja na mutratra joguta mabati ja.
They're supposed to be lowered, not dropped. And you're not supposed to slide the asbestos against each other, because you see, the moment you slide them, they remove those fibers. And I've said those fibers are very tiny. They cannot be seen. So whether you inhale them or they go to the water sources and you drink, that's when they cause the problems to the lungs, as I said earlier. Once they have been removed, they're supposed to be double wrapped. You're supposed to wrap them in a polythene bag that has a gauge of between 500 to about 1,000, and they're supposed to be double wrapped. You wrap, then after that you secure them with either a tape or a rope. And you're supposed to label them as hazardous materials. If you're doing off-site disposal, then they're supposed to be transported in a vehicle that is labeled hazardous material. You're supposed to just carefully put them in the car so that you prevent any breakage. And then they're supposed to be only transported to a NEMA licensed site, and the vehicle should have a tracking document. Once they get to the site, the hole where they're supposed to be buried, that hole is supposed to be cemented all around. Then it's supposed to be lined with a polythene bag. And suppose once the materials are buried there, it is permanently sealed and the area is fenced off. It's supposed to be lockable, and it's supposed to be labeled that it is a hazardous disposal area. And that site, nothing else can ever be done on that site because it is labeled as hazardous materials that have been buried there. We also allow sometimes to have what we call on-site disposal site. That if, for instance, you have a building that has asbestos, and within that building you have an area where those asbestos can be buried, we allow, but under very strict conditions, because it means that that area should be away from residential houses. It should also be away from sensitive ecosystem like rivers or boreholes, shallow wells, and it should be an area where there is no access to the public.
Keri potrande to shaweru weekendi reakwa rieto ni mutuge kare.
Tutonye siasa na ndeba moba siasa kumantere cha Embu ni bedhire toba kithumbia uritoba siasa bagachagua bakiregana na ugi ati nwele ngwe akirima araba mwirite kithana guchitekia na arungi kena kiama kia DCP kirithurano binini kiregitekia muminji na Evrore birabirigiri county-ne eu ya Embu. Rita Mwaniki atumenyithia nkoroke.
Turera DCP kiama kia wa Munyoro ni field candidate wa tondu na tuya mamenyeru vitisho irumi gukamaketwo na giore mayakari ni tuya mamenyeru koguo mauke tu oguo maukaga ni magatwithiriria kana atia ni magatwithiriria kiama kia UDA gitingikua Mount Kenya korwa ni giakuire kinde tutingiacindirwe mbere no. Sisi tunamwambia leta candidate tupambane kwa ground. Watalia tu vile walilia wakasema wameibiwa. Of course, it is the story you give when you have lost, but we are ready to face them again. Hii tutachukua asubuhi mapema. We are confident. We are very confident.
Walikuja wakajaribu kununua kura na walijaribu lakini wakashindwa. After kushindwa nilisikia mwingine akisema chama yake haikuwa hapa. Sasa mimi nataka kusema hivi. Nataka kufanya invitation. Tunataka tukutane na hii chama inajiita ya Mlima, inaitwa ya DCP. Tuko na ward mbili hapa. Kuna ward ya Evrore, kuna ward ya Muminji. Tafadhali usingoje kudanganya wa Kenya vile uko na Mlima na unaogopa kuja Mbeere North. Leta MCA asimame, leta aspirant wa DCP asimame pale Evrore ward. Mwingine umlete pale Muminji. Ndio sasa Wakenya wote wajue chama ya DCP ni chama ya kufikiria haina sera, haina kitu.
Tanambera kurumira antiso chetu nchokere tunyume kagita gati kuraja na antitonkuruki. Mama Kanana, niuzie kwa unga. Unga yangano faster. Made, kama kawa.
Ala, bona huo?
Wow, usema ndio siri.
Siri ni unga wa Nice ambao ni 100% extra premium.
Na bei yake ni
bora zaidi na ni nafuu. Pia Nice Extra Premium walituzwa kwa kuwa premium nambari 1 kote nchini.
Kweli, unga ambao ni 100% original extra premium. Na unga wa Nice Extra ngano unakupa mandazi, keki na chapati nyororo na tamu. Na mchele wenye ladha tamu na harufu ya kuvutia ni Nice Pure Pishori kutoka Nice Rice Millers, Mwea.
Nice na Nice Extra Premium.
We are turning up the heat on Star Times. Unravel the thriller mystery of the evil eye returns on Star Life. Fall for the irresistible charm of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim on Novella E+. Get absorbed in the emotional twist of My Wonderful Life on Novella E. Step into the all-new season of Hello Mr. Right, Kenya's most exciting dating reality show on Rembo Plus. Renew your subscription today, starting from just 329 Kenya shillings for Nyota Bouquet on the aerial decoder or 549 Kenya shillings for Nova Bouquet on the dish decoder. Download the StarTimes app to stay connected anytime, anywhere. StarTimes. Enjoy digital life.
Si niliwaambia? Halo, niletee kama kawaida.
Kama sio Kavagara, wacha kiumane.
Ulisikia wapi sherehe bila Kavagara?
Wanaoijua wanaijua, eti Kavagara ya ugali na chapo zinaongoza sokoni. Kama hujakula ugali ya Kavagara, usiseme umekula ugali. Chapo yapendeza, na ugali je?
Hii chapati ni tamu sana.
Omera, sherehe bila Kavagara sio sherehe.
Dukani usitishe unga, itisha Kavagara.
Nuko thogani ya gweta sukuru kienda kuthomera ndagitari thoganire gikeno gya kuja muritwa sukuru ikomenya gwitana na kuonania mantu tareria yokurugurira mirango ya muturire no gakarabwega na bangi aja utekuringa ndari ngugi ya ndagitari yambaire na kumenya programs ire gwetania na kirio kwenda cukuru ya ndagitari ekuonia rito gwetania bwega na ngugi ewe utungata bwega na mwajia kanganiro ikurigitwo ndagitari utegucetha karata na uturo bwawe nontu na kumenya uria kugita aja inyoga keno kithoma ukamenya talanta na interest ciaku na ukenerora kugwita nontu kithomo tikuga uturo bongi abo karungama.
CEO MD of the year, the winner, Dr. Benjamin Ikenye.
Jata ijoke theraja Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences ujokane bwa January 2026 ibwetete na mbere campus yetu Thika na kinya campus njero Nakuru nonto bwantete nkuru kituringire thimu namba 0719223223. Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences, committed to professional excellence.
Welcome to Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences.
Karibu Golden Pillar Circle. Together we prosper.
o kiroto nigitagia kugwatiro na kwigikwa ura kubatere kenda kiujurana o ikinya rionthe iri batere kubangiro bwega na nikyo Aja Golden Pillar Sacco twigika mibango yaku na kumitwikithia umithio igwatire niro niro gikundi kienu kana group loan na mainde kumija muthithu jwenu bwajweka nyuma ya mweri jomwaki na mari ni jamwanka mieri 18 ki Aja Golden Pillar Sacco no igwatire salary loan na mainde jatantutu ja muchara jwaku na kagita gakurea ni mwanka mieri 36 no kubanga kugura ngari asset financing yetu ni rungamaira 75% ya maguri jangari no gatumira logbook yaku ja security na guti garanto kwendeka development loan ukona mwanka mainda jana ja muthithu jwaku arimi beria nabo iba kuguneka nene na maziwa loan nabo arimo batie si iba kuguneka na rondo 1% interest o mweri na marine mwanka mieri 96 arimi bakawa nabo iba kuigwatira coffee advance na nusu ya marija ukabere na gutina garantas kenda kugwata nteto nkuruki riongera rwangirwa turarunda rure yakwi nagwe kana uturingire thimu ukurukira 0702 140 140 kana uriongera mutandao jetu nechu www.goldenpillarsacco.org. Golden Pillar Sacco, together we prosper. Toko wate ogeni Eden Baba Beauty Spa njaya kuyo thongi botingana nuna bongi kinyaburi ku Aja Meru njona harua toko thongomia na maguri jate kuinyiria mubuko jwa kuja class haircuts, coloring and styling, spa treatments and relaxing massages, nail art, manicure and pedicure, makeup and beauty consultation, dreadlock installation and retouch, waxing, eyebrow shaping, scalp treatment na jange. Aja Eden Baba Beauty Spa turi kuthongomia mwankanthi guro yonthe yuge ebai turi Greenwood Mall floor ya ithatu na turugura ntuko chionde kuma Jumatatu mwanka Alamisi kwambiria thaijiri na ndariki ya 15 cia rukiri mwanka themwe na nusu ciogoro na cio ntuko cia Njuma na Jumamosi ni kwambiria thaijiri na ndariki ya 15 cia rukiri mwanka thaijiri na nusu ciogoro na ntuko ya Jumapili ni kwambiria thasta cia muthenya mwanka themwe na nusu ciogoro turingire thimu na rugukurukira 0723 555 015 kana tuchwekire mitandao yetu yonthe. Eden Baba Beauty Spa, where class meets confidence, because yes, you deserve it.
Uko ready ku entertain? GoTV inakupa more shows. Juu wewe ni wetu.
That's right.
More movies.
Yes.
Jackpot. More cartoons za watoi.
Of course.
Na more futa.
No doubt about it.
Habari ndio hiyo. Tunakupatia more.
Girl, that is so true.
Exactly. Lipia package yako tuko upgrade to the next package on us.
Yes, 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 yes.
That's good to know.
Nkatho chimwanya mutegeri gwitana mbere kurumira nteto chetu tugicokera uria ni CS wa Rugende Gurune ya Kenya CS Eric Muga na ithiri twakinyiria mitaratara na mibango ya rwangirwa egutigira motoro ja Kenya ni ja kwagira aritie kagita karatri manite na thingati bandini SDA kumantere cha Meru Central.
Niwajulishe kwamba katika safari yetu ya maisha tumpe Mungu kipaumbele, si ndio? Mimi kila siku napata nguvu kutoka somo la Timotheo wa pili mlango wa pili mstari wa kwanza. I draw my strength from grace. Kwa sababu nchi yetu ya Kenya kwa sasa ukiangalia ile misuko tuko nayo haswa ya kisiasa, na kwa sababu mambo ya kisiasa yanaamua ile bei ambayo Leo Malinde imenunua hiki kiwanja, siasa inaamua ile pesa tunanunua unga tushibishe tumbo zetu, siasa inaamua ile karo ambao watoto wetu ambao mitihani imetoka jana watalipa wakienda chuo kikuu, siasa inaamua ule mshahara huyu pasta Bwana Ireri akisimama hapa anapata. Hatuwezi jitenga na haya mambo. Najua sisi ni wasafiri wa mbinguni, ukweli urongo. Na hii ni safari ambayo tunaitembea kwa roho zetu na mienendo yetu ya kila siku. Lakini tukumbuke kwamba pia tuko na jukumu la kuelimishana. Kwa sababu Biblia inasema wengine nikawafanya manabii, kweli? Wengine nikafanya walimu, si ni kweli? Wengine nikawapa nguvu za kuongea nini? Kuongea nini? Kwa ndimi, si ndio? Wengine nikawafanya makuhani. Na pia sisi wengine sasa ikabidi tumefanya wanasiasa. Tukija hapa Meru, kwanza tukumbuke sisi wote ni walipa ushuru, si ndio? Na ushuru wako unafaa utumike kikamilifu. Na matumizi yake kikamilifu, nitataja tu baadhi ya zile miradi tunafanya hapa nyumbani, si ndio? Umesikia shida yetu ya sewerage Meru. Imekuja nikapata, tumepiga hadithi za Abunuwasi, mwanakandarasi ya Songi, na mimi niwajulishe leo ule mradi niliukatiza, nikautamatisha, iposa ile kazi imebaki tuishikanishe, tumtafute mwanakandarasi anaweza fanya kazi.
Ureka gitena kama wa MC wantu nene Jedel Mauta norite thirikari gucokaniria ukaria ntere cia Gembe akiuga wagagia ni bwanjiritie gutabarikia nkuruki norite thirikari kwanjira kuthugania kunyagia irio byote akiuga antu bamwe ni banjirite kuringithwa ni mparabo nene. Nicholas Chabare gatumenyithia
Uragwa RMC Wandia Tunene Jedel Mauta na umirite thirikari nene akiuga itakaye kubagura anto banterino cia Gembe nonto bainyirikite ne wagagia abokaria no ende utirite gari thirikari ekojucia
thirikari ere rikuo the national government yotoyukia turanto bairie yi sisi ni wa Kenya na ni wa Kenya wanalipa ushuru na tuna haki yoyote kikatiba na kisheria ukarua na ukarinto vyetu. Deputy President amwambie William Ruto, President wa Kenya, sisi tuna haki kama watu wa Baringo, kama watu wa Elgeyo Marakwet, kama watu wa Keio. Wale ambao mashule ilikuwa imefungwa, hospitali ilikuwa imefungwa, watu walikuwa wanauawa, lakini aliweka kambi ya jeshi kule Baringo. Na siku ya leo wale wakora wote walitoka Baringo wakakuja hapa Ntunene, wakakuja hapa Igembe. Hiyo tumekataa na tumekataa kabisa.
Kagitani wako akiuga igitari utaka gukaramanto timega kumania na kunyia kwa mbura ende misanda ayondhere kuonekana ibatiri kwithirwa gikinyagira mwananchi gonto kora kuinyirikite ebonene.
Ule msanda wote utapatikana ka county ukuje directly Kilerani hapa chini, Lenjoka ni hapa juu. Kama ni Marira wapeleka Marira yao. Tunakubaliana? Ituwekaneria? Vya korabia vya msaada. Nimeona pia wa mheshimiwa amekuja. Karibu sana ndugu yangu, rafiki yangu. Nilisikia mheshimiwa akisema ametuombea chakula ya msaada. Na akasema gari inakuja. Mwambie tumesema asante sana kwa hiyo msaada. Lakini msaada ukija, tafadhalini ipeanwe kwa njia inafaa. Ifikie yule mama ambaye hana baba, hana bwana. Yule familia zimefanya nini? Zimefinyiliwa mbele. Na ifanyiwe katika uwanja. Ikuwa inaonekana kila mtu. Tento bieta kwa aeroterine. Ama namna gani? Kabisa kwa misi yantu. Yote tumekataa kabisa.
Kumegebe North, Betan Class, Chabare.
Tuna njira indi kungucokeria nkatho cha mwanya nuntuba kuona kanya kugwatanira na bau twitana mbere gukenera mibango ya Weru TV nyuma kaita gate kuraja ni mwe kwa mubango jwa kwa ya kanisene kumaja kiri Weru TV Studios arabari na gigongwana ya misara kwa njiri ya mwaka jomweru ugakurukirwa kano chincha mutambo nbitagwatinya rikinywa ithurana kagita gakega.